Every good camping trip requires preparation, and trust me, we tried our best to be prepared. You see me here now making a pico de gallo for a jerk chicken inspired taco that I wanted to do on this trip. Now, pico de gallo sounds very complicated, but it's very easy. It just requires equal parts onions and tomatoes diced up. Then you're gonna add your cilantro, your lemon juice, and you're gonna season to taste with salt and black pepper. I knew for my jerk chicken breast, I wanted to keep it traditional, so I added some Walker's Wood jerk. Then I made my own little green seasoning slash marinade, threw it on top. And what's most important, make sure that it marinates for at least 24 hours. Then it was time for us to head off camping, and this is where everything started off a little bit hazy. We were supposed to be out by midday. Now it was like minutes to 7, and we're gonna end up to our campsite pretty late, but that's camping. Now, this video wasn't really planned. I just got a couple shots of little things that we did, and I'm gonna show you every single thing that I ate while I was camping for the very first time in New York City, and I had a blast.
Like they would talk to you, like serious stuff to you. So it's like
Is this the crystal level you like on yours? Wait, exhibit A. Oh my.
That's how I make them. Okay.
Huh?
No,
I got it. Oh my God. So this is good?
No, no.
Okay, cool. This up? You good with this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some of it.
Is that a chocolate blueberry pancake?
No, it's actually cinnamon spice. Quite a bit allspice.
Okay,
no,
where's
let's go.
the-
Yeah.
That tastes better. Bueno.
Okay, the eggs are gonna come out a different color. You know that, right? Yeah. It's not gonna be the brownest.
That's what I'm like.
We got salt and black pepper.
We have.
Ooh. I know that.
Well, I do, but Penny can't.
You can't manage pepper?
No, I some not. I can't say I can. I manage pepper next to you guys because there's just no comparison. There's sometimes I'm like, oh, that was a little too hot. And my mother-in-law's like, you didn't put pepper in it, which is kind of.
How do you like it? Eggs? Hard or soft? Hard? Okay, down to hard.
But do it for you.
Oh, no, no, no. I'm not a picky person.
Same.
You know how picky I am? Eggs are not usually my thing,
Oh.
and I learned to eat it.
Oh, really?
Because it goes good with some foods, you know? Like
Yeah.
there's some burgers where,
A fried egg on top.
oh my God, you're like, all right, yeah, I get it.
Some bacon, some blue cheese. Have you had any good burgers in the city?
Probably not, because it's taking me a while to
Yeah.
remember anything. But apart from like the conventional not smash burger, sorry. I like,
Popeyes.
I
don't
had
like
that the
that?
other day, and that was,
Isn't it like just so sloppy?
it's not the way, anyway, it wasn't a good burger. I had
what's it called again? The blue logo. Shake Shack.
Shake Shack. How'd you like that?
I love a Shake Shack burger.
Isn't it like too small?
It is.
Okay.
It is.
Like everything is separate, and then
It was like 20
It's
bucks.
good,
I paid
but
20 bucks,
yeah.
20 something bucks for a burger and fries. And, oh, I got a milkshake.
There's a place in the city called I think 5 Napkins.
That just sounds like it tastes good.
It's so good.
I love it. Alright, it's definitely scrambled hard. We got a container for this?
What?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Mine's water like that.
Where I feel like Mass Rupus. Come here.
That's so soft.
No, it's a popcorn. Your body eat too much. Sit down, sit down.
Who's soft? Who's soft? Who's soft? Who's soft? Who's soft? Who's soft?
Oh, the eyes there.
Who's soft?
Spiced blueberry pancake with eggs. It's pretty good. I'm not usually a blueberry person like that. I'll put it in my shakes, but this is good. Simple. I like a pancake like that looks like this, where it's not the perfect circle. It looks very homestead, which I like.
Cheese.
The video is immortalized forever. Are you enjoying your camping trip?
Yep.
Yep. Awesome. Quiet one.
Yeah.
Trust me, off camera and talk. Here, guys. So I heard someone say that it feels hotter than Satan's butthole. And when I heard the phrase, I found it very funny. But now that I know what it means, it's not funny at all, yo. Like, I kid you not, it is super hot. So basically, you know, me and Kenny and his family, we came out here to do camping, and everything has just been, I look rough. I know that, I look really rough right now. And because yesterday was rough. I don't think I still got enough sleep. I've just been doing little clips and just really taking it all in. It's not my first time camping in the US. I've camped here a couple times before, but we're continuing our quick little shopping and things like that. And then we're gonna head back to the campsite. Today I wanna do something that I've been doing for a bit, tacos. I'm gonna be doing kind of like a jerk taco. I've been working on that. And yeah, just vibing. That's basically it. Pretty chill, calm, little trip. Hot, hectic, tiresome, but that's a part of camping. And for those persons who go on camping one time when they find it very hard, do remember you got to keep doing it. Like the more you go camping, the more you get acquired to the conditions and stuff like that, then it's gonna get easier. So, all right. What was the main goal of coming to Walmart again? Still don't know. Yeah, the damn raccoons we suspect took the tortillas, ate the breadfruit, like
Avocado.
ate the avocado.
Someone messed up.
Someone messed up.
We shall not be named.
No, we're gonna blame you, Kenny, because you said last night that someone has to get blamed, right? You remember that talk?
Yeah, but I'm not.
No. You're taking the blame today. Yeah, it's on Kenny. No, go back in the camera, man. Come no, father, strong man. Come no, strong man. No, because he said, him outside. In them outside, literally, because he's going to cook today. Yeah? You ready? He said he's about to throw down. What he said he's making again? He's making a shrimp salad. Yeah, shrimp salad. That's what he said he's making. Bro, forward back at the chef's table, though, man. I saw it. I said, oh, come on now. Don't wimp out now. So he's making a shrimp salad, and he's adding mango to it, so like a mango salsa type of salad thing. Let's see how it's gonna work out. Like we said, got a lot of dude wipes, so we got a lot of dude wipes.
Battle of the salsa.
I don't want
Can you put my stove on low, please? No, it's what that chef has, a sous chef, you know? Look at that. Your wife is now my sous chef. Oh no, look at that. Oh my God.
Go. Need the cucumber, please.
Go. Chef, we're gonna need some more ice in this meat fridge, please. Yes, chef. We do need some more ice in this though.
Why? You never know, sir. So I couldn't cook enough. There's a woman help him cook enough.
Who that?
Why? I never know.
No, because we put a lot of respect on females, because females
Of course, most definitely.
have good understanding of creativity and flavor.
Of
You understand?
course.
They know these things. So you have to.
Of course.
What the first chef you know in your life?
The first chef
Yeah.
that I know, my mother.
Thank
of
you.
Course.
There we go. So you try for smaller woman things. So.
No, me I say you can't cook.
I work.
Put it back for you.
No. You can't wait there to that, bro. Anyway, he be playing.
You might go edit that out.
I'm not. No, them things are fun thing, you know, bro.
No, I did. You must sabotage me.
Who, me?
Yeah, man. Take my cucumber.
Why for that, you know, bro? From the out of that, boy, America really changed them, you know. America changed them.
You take cucumber, brother.
America changed them. Can I get something with some water? Yeah, I want, cause I'm really just slow cooking this. I'm gonna put
Yes, chef, yes.
I'm gonna put a quick sear on this. Where I get gloves? Am I gloves again?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Hold
me think.
on. Hold on. Let me take this. The mother asks me when me get gloves.
I thought you got it on my back.
Senior Soai.
So if it
I'm nervous.
if it don't come out
I'm
good,
nervous.
your gloves just weak up a thing, bro. Cha-cha.
The gloves don't even fit.
It's an extra large.
Boy, they come with them like a foreign thing. They meat even season it. The meat even season it. To the right.
The what? Yeah. Just take out one. Your men's wear. In order to run into this challenge.
People always want to challenge me, and I have food taster, you know. That's what I am.
Yes, you eat anything.
Here we go. Here we go again. Alright, so I'm gonna be put on a slow cook. Yeah, to bribe me.
No, sir.
I bribe
No,
me.
sir.
I bribe me.
Me no bribe people. You know.
It's like,
Me get bribed. Me not bribe people.
so what kind of mango is this?
You know, them Spanish mango, you know.
So you get marked down already. 1 mark's off already.
So it go.
Not a East Indian, not
When
a
it-
Julie.
when-
Not a East.
Yo,
Excuse, where are you?
me
Where
not
where
eat
where
Julie.
is your country of birth?
I don't eat
Sir,
Julie.
where is your country of birth?
Sir, I don't eat Julie.
Where is your country of birth, sir?
Country of
Where we
birth.
get it, you don't eat Julie, but you eat Martha, you eat Alicia, you eat,
No, sir.
yeah,
No, sir. No, sir. Not in my cabinet.
not in your cabinet, but in the bedroom. I understand. I understand. So, explain and just show us what you're making today.
Food.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Okay, but what are you making though? You're making like,
I'm making a mango salad with grilled wild shrimp.
grilled wild shrimp.
Yes.
You just add the wild to it so it does sound.
It is wild shrimp. It's wild caught shrimp.
Okay.
So wild.
Marketing strategy, they have to add the wild to
No,
it.
they're wild. If you see the stripes on them, you know they're wild. They're not farm raised. Yeah, you have to know if you get the products.
Got you. Okay, what inspired this? Why you chose to do a mango shrimp? Something that you normally do before, or just you just.
Yeah, it's hot outside, so something to cool it down and something.
Ah,
You know?
okay.
I like a vibe.
Right, make sense.
So
Yeah, guys, don't mind our camping table. I don't know if I had mentioned it at some point in the video because this video is going to be just everywhere. Kenny had an issue with the tow hitch for the back of the van. Yeah, so it had broken, so he had to buy a new one, set it up. So we were supposed to get here from yesterday at like, I would say we would have gotten here by like 4 o'clock. We ended up getting here like minutes to 12. We literally went to bed like after 2. So just not prepared in any way whatsoever. So we just, we did this trip. We're probably going to even cancel it because it was supposed to rain. If you guys can look, it's kind of like overcast. And you guys know I'm not in Jamaica where I normally have all my camping stuff and I know what is what. Like, so many things are happening. Raccoons coming and robbing us and stuff like that. Squirrels robbing us, things like that. So but not to make excuses, so we're going to make the best of it. He's doing the mango wild caught shrimp salad, and like he rightfully said, this is something that you only hear in like American culture where they eat salads and stuff like that to cool them off. For us in Jamaica, when we want to cool off, we drink soup. Don't ask me how that makes sense, but that's what we do. Like it, I got eat mixed today now. Here's that one.
So you say you give up already?
No, not really competing because it would be kind of unfair. I mean, it's Jamaican
Hey, it's
food
just-
versus. I joke. It's not even Jamaican.
It's just a
food,
brotherly love, yeah?
Facts. Literally, most people that I meet, guys, fun fact, people don't know, people always want to like challenge me in a food cooking or something. Me, I don't know, chef. Me tell people that all the time. Like, if I like a food, here's the thing. If you want to understand food more, you have to learn about like how to make it. That's very important to me. So I can't go around and tell someone, oh, this is how you're supposed to have a jerk chicken, and I don't understand how to make it myself. You get what I'm saying? So to understand food more, you learn how to make it. You try it from other people. You be very objective, sometimes even subjective as well. And yeah, so I'm very open to trying different people's food, and I do accept that some people can make things way better than me. And I will tell you guys straight up. So if his dish is actually, if I find, first of all, I don't praise my food. Like I just never praise my food. I think the reason why I don't praise my food, you guys might know. When you cook your own food, to you, it's normal. I take the beauty of, hey, try my food, and other people's reaction. If they say they love it, me feel good. If they don't love it, I try to figure something else out, like how to make it a little bit better. So my food, for me, it tastes better the next day. The next day when you are out the kitchen and it marinate more. Yeah. Kenny, how was the pudding though? That I tell people like I'm very good at that.
Bro. You nearly make me kidnap you and tie you up in my basement, you know, bro. Why for that? But yeah, man.
But,
you must be a chef for the rest of your life cooking pudding.
Jaja. Yeah, that I would tell somebody that I can do very well.
It was the best.
Yeah, I can do that very well.
Not even the file paper make it.
Slow cooking, nice and thing. Kenny, thing looking good over there.
Of course.
Yeah, the sun's out. I like the sun. Oh, these are our tents, guys. Tent is a partition tent, and then it's 11-person tent. All right, so 10 facts if you don't know about tents. If you're buying a tent and the tent says it's a 4-person tent, it's really 2. So whatever number they're giving you, just cut it into 2. The reason why I cut it into 2, if it says 4 persons, it can fit 4 persons, but in a survival situation. If you really need to cram 4 people in, it will cram 4 people in. But if you want comfort, it's not gonna be comfortable for 4 people. So he said that this is an 11-person tent. Look at it. So there's a bed here, a twin-size bed here, twin-size bed there. That's comfortable enough. For some persons, they might consider it to be claustrophobic. Definitely not going to be 11 persons. Over here is the other half of the tent where I'm at. You see, so make it make sense. Do that again, bro. Bro, have emotion. Oh my gosh.
I think we can actually go down to the shores down there.
Yeah, we are.
Let me mash it today. It could be tight, you know? No, I'll get more of the jerk flavor, you know? It's such man. I cut off the head of the shrimp name. I make him know say him now waste them shrimp and bag it up, sir. Like a shrimp rat soup tomorrow or something I forgot on with the header. Yeah, with the wild caught shrimp, brother. I say you're trouble, you know? Yeah, man. So what part of the shrimp are you removing?
The poop shoot.
There we go. Get rid of that part, huh? No sir, look at him. You missed some lines over here, so you know.
No sir, that's just going back over. We're out camping.
What do you mean?
Look, the flavor is good for you.
You want to crab back some of them? No. Eh? No? That's too much for you.
Too much for
That the car rated R.
You know some people use all bread and take out the crab back, you know. No, sir, too much
I know someone. I must send this video to her specifically.
No sir.
Whenever I get done.
Not in my cabinet.
Take a picture of me. Cheese.
Hey, you have to pay.
Eh?
Yeah, man, I love Soai, you know, man.
Oh.
Uncle Steven.
So what you do upon this? So that's the jerk season, the honey jerk season?
Honey jerk seasoning. And you know, put some salt and
What me think say you this say you like?
the wood farm walkers?
No.
Eh?
No.
Eh?
No, sir.
No, that me sure, yes, I am almost certain.
No, sir.
That's what you said.
No, sir.
So how you pick up a grace?
Yes, sir.
Boy, I ain't go side with that one there still.
Grace only.
Mm-mm.
I need a sponsorship from Grace.
Always walkers.
You know, I've never really tried walkers.
Look at that camera.
Sir?
Say that again.
I've never really tried walkers.
No. Jerk sauce is jerk sauce, but most people tell you the original is from Walker's Wood, or is there another one? No, I think it's generally Walker's.
It's either Grace or I make my own. So
Yeah, I mean, either way they work. Is one of those Maltese for me?
no, you didn't. You brought two for me. Stop.
Don't play with him, man. Don't play with him, man. Think your boy easy. Think your boy easy. Not to be played with.
Beautiful.
I tell you, this one right now. See star ya. That one ya. You can see how the honey from the jerk is just caramelized on it. Oh my god, that's beautiful. You know, you just look over for my food with your little a bug's life over the side. That barbecue though say a bug's life.
Man, bad man, you know. Man, see the goodness. You know.
Bro, watch out. Look at this, bro.
Look at this. Can you smell it?
Listen,
Can you smell
we
it, bro?
don't give no quickies, bro. It's a long distance style. This a cook for over, bro. Slow, low and slow. Ask them how them like it, bro.
Sometimes them
No,
like quickness.
bro, no. Low and slow. Yeah, me say, listen to my words and listen to my words well. Low and slow. Ask any woman.
Once them finish, them have to finish. No?
Exactly.
And low and slow and them not finish. So you have to finish.
Sir.
And so we finish till all the two of them.
The girl them no want a rabbit. And I want a rabbit, bro.
See? Watch how I told them a curl on this.
Come over here. Me amor. He can't even say that to you, huh? He only know me love. Come over here, me love.
I want to come over here. I just want to come over here.
How is the pole on my chicken, huh? How are we looking? Is it looking?
Oh.
Is it looking, Tana?
Oh.
It's looking like it's supposed to be looking.
Yeah. Yeah, chicken breast is risky because it dries out.
It dries out, but did it dry out? No, we keep it moist, huh?
It's looking moist.
It looking good, huh?
There
Mi furo
you go.
es no muy barato, muy caro, ¿sí? ¿Entiende, señor?
De calidad. De calidad.
Cálmate.
De calidad.
Cálmate, cabrón.
Sí. Anything you said.
Yes, Mama.
Quality.
One for you. You actually know how to eat a taco. You use the lower one to catch anything from the other one, and you just make another taco with that one. A cultured guy.
I can see this.
Too spicy for him, maybe?
The black spice.
You gotta come a little bit closer to the mic so we can hear. As a woman of Spanish culture.
It's good. I give you 9.5 out of 10.
The other 0.5 is so you can win.
No, the point five is because of the spiciness. The spiciness could be a bit much for someone else,
Exactly.
but
I
for
agree.
me, it's
It's good.
perfect. But for someone else, it might be a
Too
little bit
much. Agreed.
It's a good spice though, because
It's a very
not
good. It's
overwhelming.
not
It goes away.
over, but it has a big kick at
no,
first.
what I like is that you paid attention to the tortilla because it's nice and it's got a crisp to it
Mm.
that people don't pay attention to. When you eat it, you don't want it to be mushy, so it gives it a texture.
Yeah, exactly. I'm glad you like it.
Really
Thank God.
good. No, but the meat is.
The meat's good? Yeah, boy, I did it again. I don't even know how to make tacos, really.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
I'm glad you like it.
And I'm not Mexican, so I can't judge it from
Like a Mexican's perspective, yeah.
But this is like real close to authentic. Like you lived in Mexico. Oh, this is good. Or yeah, I don't usually like corn tortillas.
Corn tortillas? No? Which one do you prefer? The flour one? Yeah, for me, I prefer the flour one, but I don't know. I think the corn one is
I prefer
more.
the flour one because you can get like a nice toast to it.
Yeah,
But the way that you did it out here was impressive because
it's toasted.
yeah.
Yeah, I like to have the balance because the chicken is juicy. You can't have a soft
You're
tortilla.
right, the corn. because
Yeah.
The sauce for it. But this is really good. And I'm not like an overly spice person that can take spice, but I can take this. That's how I like.
Nice. I've been waiting at your restaurant a little bit too long.
I've been here waiting for you. The food is already done. The table is set.
Bring. Oh, was it my table?
The table was set. But since you want it to be over there,
Thank you, sir.
hold on.
He's good.
My favorite.
Hold on. Show you what was it.
Wait, I don't want to hide my food. Food is more important, you know?
Yeah.
Look at plating, guys. Look at plating. First, we're going to go right into the shrimp because it smelled really good. Let's bust it down. Look at this, guys.
No, where's the soda? Mama.
First of all, that jerk seasoning, the honey, is really good. That sauce is very good. It tastes like middle quarters, but it tastes like a middle quarter shrimp. Have you ever had that before? This is a very good shrimp.
That wild caught shrimp is different from the farm-raised shrimp.
It hits different,
Yes, it does.
and that's why I said it has that type of middle quarter shrimp vibe. And this seasoning, this jerk seasoning with honey on it, Perfect twist. Let me try with the pineapple. Pineapple, mango, cucumber. I like the difference between the shrimp and the salad. It's like this is warm, and then this is very fresh. It is very summery.
Did you get a hint of that vinegar?
Hold on.
Should be a light thing.
Mm-mm.
Not getting it?
But whether I got the vinegar or not, as in this is a very good dish.
Thank you.
I don't like rating food, to be honest. Would I eat this again? Yes. I would definitely eat this again. Did you use the jerk honey season very well?
I poured it. Can I get credit for that?
The seasoning is not too much. The flavor of the shrimp was not a side chick. Okay? The flavor of the shrimp was not a side chick. I still honestly do think. Oh.
All of a sudden, hurricane came.
That the grill on the shrimp was just a little bit
overdone.
So it's not tough. I'm not saying that it's tough or anything, but it's a little bit overdone. Like a quick, especially because you butterflied it.
Yes.
If you had kept it whole, the time that you have done it on, it would have been perfect because you butterflied it. It's a quicker do. But if I was to give you a rating, I would give you a 10. And not because you're my brethren, but because I never thought you could cook.
He gets bloody nose when he gets overheated, so I was just freaking out that he was gonna get a bloody nose. I was hard.
I don't eat worms.
Here.
Can I do the worms like that? Daddy, can I do the worms? Daddy, can I do the worms? Ugh, I don't eat worms. I don't eat worms. Oh, worms!
When we go back to New York, we go fishing
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the
no! I said, Mama, but my all my friends just going for training. We do everything. No! You want to kill him?
I brought it up to my mom, and my mom was like, my dad wasn't really.
I know funny. My mother, brother, and most of the family member, the police are cheating. Yeah, but I'm uncle. Yo, say I love Get the camera. Fuck! Shut down.
If I could take you back to my youth, show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to live. In the moment I hung desperate, the other ring on my wrist is gold. Pairing with the light of gold. When I return from my spinning goal, I'm remembering the words you told me.
I know you can't go find him.
Chat. See man. Put me together, take me back where I've been.
Catch me your crocs.
I want it all. I had a feeling that the pain is all done. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I've been. I want it all.
Boxing out
I
of
had a feeling that the pain is all done.
Yeah. Hey.
So it says it's a New York steak, yeah?
This is a New York steak cut. Like beautiful marbling.
And we're using a honey jerk.
I'm using a honey jerk from one and only Grace.
So I've never really made a steak before. You know, I know, medium well, rare. What would you be your preferred, like?
Mine preferred would be medium well.
Medium well, same. So medium well steak.
It's just enough pink, not runny. And then the fat is with the New York, there's a nice fat and layer. It should be a wonderful finish. This one we're gonna try to get just the flavor of the
And for steak, you normally wash it the normal way, like you do with vinegar and water.
Vinegar, we just washed it with vinegar and water. See that? Nice coarse. You know, us as Jamaican, we don't use black pepper, so.
And what's that?
Growing up, they say black the inner trap for men. So.
I'm glad you said that, because I'm not the only one who always heard that too.
So we don't use vinegar. We use a little bit of cayenne.
You use black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper. We use a little bit of cayenne.
To memory, when was the first time you ever ran a boat?
Last time I went camping.
No, the first time.
Well,
Like that
first
Jamaica, like by the beach, river.
when Skull School. Skull School I went. And that was a day when I got home.
Trouble.
It happened to be the one day that my mom went to school to check on me. That was the day.
What are the odds of that though? Your mom decided to check on you just
That one day that I was called school.
to check on you just
Just to check on me.
Nah, bro.
was the day.
Something must have been off. You must have been like a troubled kind of kid, like where she's like, nah, man, something up.
I was never a trouble kid. It's just a random check.
Do you think parents still do stuff like that though? Like,
Well, me as a dad, I do, so.
okay.
Beautiful steak. Oh, John, that's one.
Still have to stick it, cause if you not drop out, you're not done. So you still have to get a stick. So. have to cool off for that one. Cool it on the yeah.
How is the fire going? How is the fire going?
How we kept the fire going?
Yeah. How is it going?
Oh, how is it going? It's g-
How is it going?
it's going good now. It's going very good.
Yeah.
Cut me a thinner slice one. Yeah. I think I have a fancy now, bro. I want to feel like I'm at a 5-star restaurant.
It's in a light pink
What do you mean?
I want you to put
after it rested.
Oh,
I said, put the
That is just the
oh, you want
pepper
to do that?
and the salt.
You try the jerk? The jerk. The jerk soaked. I prefer the jerk. The jerk is more of a distinct flavor.
Just the salt and pepper one gives you more of that wood
Yeah, smoky.
and the coal.
What's this one?
I put salt on it. Try this.
I'm going.
Jesus. So you know heat up my piece of yam too. Do it, this you know. Come on, drop this back on the grill, man. Want my piece of yam warm too. Right now. Yeah. Look a cowboy cooking, guys.
A cowboy don't kick.
You want a piece of this brioche, babe?
Hey yo. This sweet corn. The lady never tell no lies, bro.
Zero lies told.
And zero lies were told. The sweet corn really nice. Respect. Zero lies were told.
Did that scare you?
No.
ketchup from toy is a toy. It's not real. It's not real. And then these have these wrapped inside.
I love it. Let's see how much Steven love Noah.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the gray room. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole? Wait, hold on.
It was good. It was real. But we out. See you guys in the next one.
It's all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together. Take me back.